everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Yes, I'm here to share with you guys what I got at the Dollar Tree. I was super excited. I went home last week and I went to the Dollar Tree that is near my parents' house. I absolutely love this Dollar Tree. Number one, it's always neat. They always have stuff that I'm always like looking for, the stuff that's like on my wish list that I see people haul. It's in Winona, Minnesota. If you guys have not been to that, definitely check it out. It's weird how that's like the only store. The closest other one is like 45 minutes away, but that one always has stuff that I'm looking for. And it's a pretty big store, and I'm always finding stuff. Like, I was not expecting to find the stuff that I wanted, but I am pretty excited to share with you guys what we did get. Now, I ended up getting like a little container. It was a green container with a lid. It was Bella. My son already took it. He cracked one of the lids on it, but I bought two of them, and the other one he has his Legos in there because we got Legos when we went to Mall of America, but I didn't bother bringing those down, plus I forgot. But we ended up just getting some green little totes, but the one that he cracked is completely fine. It's still fine, but there is that. One thing that I was super excited to find are these Sterilite bins. Now, I can get these at Walmart pretty much for the same price, but I kind of like the clear ones because I want to put one of these in my bathroom, like where my vanity is, and put all my stuff in there, because all that stuff just keeps getting like moved all over the place. And I thought this is great just to put, you know, certain stuff in there on my vanity. And then I kind of want to put the other two in my bathroom. I'm going to start organizing my bathroom closet, so you guys will start seeing that in my cleaning videos. I don't know when I will start it. I'm just trying to start figuring things out now, but I am going to start working on that. That's probably going to be one of my cleaning videos, is just focusing on that. Now, you guys have seen it a couple times, but like I said, I got tons of crap in there that I want to get rid of. So stay tuned for a future weekly cleaning video of that. But I ended up getting 3 of these, and I'll show it to you guys once I get in there. I just shoved everything inside a laundry thing because it's easier for me just to bring it downstairs, so that when I'm done with the video, I can just bring it all back upstairs and share with you guys on that. I needed some snack bags. Now, even though I have a ton of snack bags at home, I got this while I was with my mom because I ended up getting some snacks with Ben, and then I'm like, you know what, I want to put them in snack bags because these are perfect to use for little snacks that I want to have for him to eat, so he's not eating like the whole bag. So this is something that I'm going to make in a snack preparation video for you guys. It's just stuff like this, you know, why not? I saw these and I thought these actually look pretty good. My stores around my area don't have a snack zone. There was one store that is getting a snack zone, but the stores that are closer to me do not. But I saw these gluten-free, good-natured vegetables, and one thing I do like is they're kind of like the puffy chips. So they're like veggie chips, but they're a little bit different. So I'm pretty excited about these. I'm trying to get Bendy just a little bit healthier, and why not, you know, try something like this. So if these are pretty good, I'm actually gonna get more of these, because like this is for $1, and I feel like you get actually a pretty decent, like I can feel the top of the pile like right there. So there's that. I found these pickles. Now, I like pickles. I don't like restaurants when I go get pickles, and I don't like pickles on my burgers like at McDonald's or anything, but I like these kind of pickles when I'm like making my own burgers at home. So this is Breckinridge Farms Kosher Sandwich Slices. I like the Vlasic brand, and I've never had this one, but I'm like, you know what, for $1 we're gonna try it. So I'm gonna see if Graham wants to cook out on the grill sometime and make some burgers, and definitely try this. So for $1, you can't go wrong. And they had a whole end cap just of pickles. Like, it was so crazy. It was just nothing but pickles and different brands. Got Ben a bucket. He picked this out. Every time we go to the splash pad, he always is taking kids' buckets. Not like he steals it from them. He just sees the kid just leave it there, and he'll take it and play with it. And then I make him give it back. But I thought this is great for him to have, especially right now. It's like almost 100 degrees outside the last couple days. So I thought, you know what, when we do go to the splash park, he can just take this and play with that. So it's a big bucket you can fill with water. I ended up getting these. Now, I can't remember if I've ever had these, but these are Schneider's Holy Cheese crisp baked crackers, and this is mild cheese. I can't remember if I've ever had these before, but for $1, I like it. And again, the bag is like up to here, so you get a good chunk. And one thing I do like, it has a resealable seal on it. So I thought these are great, especially, you know, the good size of this. So this is half 5 ounces. So you get a good chunk of, you know, snacks with that. I also have like 2 more of those little containers to share with you guys. I ended up seeing, I saw Nicole Burgess pull these out, and I'm like, okay, I just want to try these. I'm trying to eat snacks that are a little bit better for you, and she said these are really good. Now, they did have 2 different kinds. These are the Avocado Ranch, which she said are really good. It's called Way Better Avocado Ranch Whole Grain Tortilla Chips with sprouted flax, quinoa, and chia. I'm like, I'll try it, you know, we'll try it. And I do like ranch chips, and it goes about right here. So she said these bags are kind of expensive. If you bought these at some other place or on Amazon, I think they're expensive. But you know what, I'm going to give it a try. If Ben sees me eat these, he might eat them himself. So, fingers crossed on that one. I ended up getting these magnetic holders. They're more for your locker, but I'm going to use these for my refrigerator. Just because I put pens and stuff. There's pens always throughout my house, and I'm like, you know what, I like more of these on my refrigerator because then I can put more pens in here. I can have a pair of scissors in my kitchen. I can just put stuff more at a convenient thing for me. So I'm going to definitely use these. I hope the sticker peels off nicely because I don't like that ugly sticker on, and it did steal. It peeled off just nicely. There is a sticker on the thing. Wow, look at that. Look at that. So I just need to get some of that stuff. Now with the back to school stuff starting, I'm pretty excited to get some of that stuff. And you guys will see me do some deals with that. So got some containers. Now I did find some colored pencils. Now these are the small pencils. And the reason why I got these is because I'm getting some books and stuff with him, and I thought these would be cool. I don't like the longer ones because he'll just lay them around and then they'll get stepped on and break in half. These are pretty much the same size as crayons, and I thought these are just perfect for wherever we go. And if they get stuck in the car, I don't have to worry about them melting like they would with regular crayons or markers that's getting all the place. So just an 8-pack of that. I also got him some scissors. I know he knows how to cut. I don't trust him on cutting things, but I thought these are little kid scissors that he can use. And it was for a 2-pack, which I like. So I thought these are good to have, you know, because I got some construction paper. If you guys watched my last haul, I got him some stuff. Now I just need to get him some glue sticks, which I think I have some around the house, to get him to start working on some projects. Just get him to start doing that. Now, last time you guys saw me actually haul the number 1 is what I got. I thought these are good. These are really good stencils for him to use. But I ended up getting the alphabet stencils. So these each have a letter in there. There's a bunch of stencils, and then it's got the exclamation point, the number sign, the and symbol, and the question mark symbol. But I thought these are great for him to just learn how to trace, and I thought these are going to go good with what I got. And that's why I got the second tote to put all these things in his little tote. Here we got shapes. Stencils. Now there is a square, circle, star, heart, triangle, rhombus, hexagon, octagon, rectangle, and oval, and he knows all those shapes. So I'm like, you got different types of shapes that you guys can use, so I thought that'd be great for him. And then I got animal stencils. So we got the frog, the bear, the parrot, the gator, the mouse, wolf, elephant, what is it? Chicken, shark, and fox. So we got little animals for him to stencil. So I thought those would be just great little things for him to work on, you know, on a hot summer day, just sitting at the table and just kind of working on it. Now, I like straws. I'm obsessed with straws. We use metal straws, but I thought, you know what, these are cool for him to be silly out of. So these are extra long, and these are ones that like really spot out, and you can make like swirls and stuff with them. It is an 80-pack, so I thought, you know what, get some straws for Ben. You know, maybe we can have some fun with some straws. I got a little ice pack. Now, I just bought these, and then after I went to the Walgreens this past weekend, they had other ones that were cheaper than these that are bigger, but I thought these would be perfect anyways that I can use. So I thought, and the ones that I have right now, the gel and the liquid kind of deteriorated away from each other, so it's kind of gross. I'm like, these are perfect to use, so I got one of those. I actually got 2 of them. It's just in the bag when I get to it more. Which I feel like I'm missing another bag because I thought I bought 2 of these. I am missing, or maybe I just bought one. I don't know, but I thought I bought 2 of those, but whatever. I ended up seeing this notebook. I thought this notebook is super cute, you guys. I just love it. It's got hot dogs, pizza, an ice cream cone, a taco. I thought this is super cute. I don't need any notebooks, but I'm like, I have to have this. So I just have that for like my little notes at my desk and everything, but it's made by Jot, so I thought that was super cute. They also have matching pens, which I'm going to see how these pens write. Even though I have a ton of pens, I like the clicky pens, but I thought these are so cute, you guys. So they have one with the donuts and coffee drinks on it, another one with the same as the notebook, and then the other one has glasses, a sun, an umbrella, rainbows. So I thought those are super cute to have. I'm so excited to just write with these. And if they write good, I think I might get some more, because I have a feeling people are just going crazy over that. I had to get a matching little notebook, you guys. I'm going to keep this actually in my vehicle, because there are times when we're driving and Graham's like, I need something to write with, I need something to write with, or I need something to write on. And I'm like, why not have like a little notebook in the car in case we need it? So got that, you know, in case I need some notes or things here and there. We got that. And then I also got this little stencil. Now, I didn't really need this, but I wanted to get it anyways. But it's a 2-piece pencil case. I thought I could use it for something. Sometimes when I go to the grocery store or I go couponing or something, I thought these were great. Now, they're not the greatest quality for like my pencils, but I thought these would be perfect for like when I go shopping and I have coupons. I can just put my coupons in there, and I thought this is so cute to take it with me, you guys. You have no idea how obsessed I am with this design. So yeah, I'm kind of mad because I had 2 of those ice packs and now that's missing. I don't know what happened to it. I also found a binder, you guys. I just love this. I love this print so much. I went to go get a binder and I was not expecting them having a matching binder for this, but what I've been doing is I'm going to be making a lot of food videos lately, and I want to keep the recipes that I use in a little binder. What I do with my HelloFresh meals is I keep a binder and I put all the HelloFresh in the binder. So I thought, why not do that with the meals that I've been making with regularly? So I have a paper hole punch. I thought I'm just going to use the paper hole punch and just use that right up. But I'm like, I just love this. I absolutely love this print, and it's food, so why not use it for that? So definitely so cute. I kind of want to get another one just for organization things. Like, these are that cute, you guys. I just love that design. And then I ended up getting some like original Kente sauce, like some taco sauce, because I'm making a meal and I just needed this. I went to Aldi's and they didn't have anything like this, so I got that. But otherwise, that is my Dollar Tree haul. Like I said, I'm still trying not to buy a bunch of crap that I don't need, but I did get some snacks, which I'm super excited about. I'm working on organization, and then I got some things here and there. But yeah, my favorite thing is, you guys, is this stuff. I just absolutely love it. I love it. But if you guys enjoyed this video, please give this video a thumbs up. I don't know when I'll do another Dollar Tree haul. Probably, we'll see soon. I just kind of do it whenever I feel like it, but I definitely was excited to get this stuff when I went on my trip back home. But please give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys all later. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.